Bilfinger.
Our commitment does not end with the commissioning of your plant. We are also experts in maintenance. Our services are brought together in the Bilfinger maintenance concept. You choose which services from our 16 modules are right for your maintenance needs. This way we ensure individual and highly effective safety and quality management. We are focusing increasingly on mobile and digitized solutions in maintenance. Specific information about systems and maintenance orders is sent to the operator on site. Updates or feedback on work status can be done right away. The digital networking of the employee saves energy, time, and costs. With BCAP, our integrated digitization concept, we even go one step further. The Bilfinger Connected Asset Performance increases the effectiveness and labor productivity of the entire plant by up to 15% and reduces its maintenance costs by up to 30%. With the principle of predictive maintenance, BCAP offers significant added value through the digital networking of entire production facilities.